this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to change your Facebook password using either your Android phone or an iPhone. We already know that updating your password regularly is one of the best ways to protect your privacy and keep your account secure. I'm Janet Solomon. If this is your first time on my channel, let's get started. The first part of this video is for iPhone users. From your Facebook homepage, click on the menu icon, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Click Settings, tap on Account Center, and this will lead us to where we will change the password, okay? Now click on Password and Security, click Change Password. Now go ahead and enter your old password, enter your new password, re-enter your new password. Make sure you click on Log Out from other devices so that just in case anyone has access to your account, you'll be able to log them out by changing your password. After that, click Change Password. For those who do not remember their password at all, here is how to go about it. Click on Forget Password. On this next page, you are going to pick how you want to receive a verification code. For this tutorial, I will be going with WhatsApp because my WhatsApp number is linked to this account. Now, a verification code has been sent to my WhatsApp. I will copy it and paste it here. After pasting, click Continue, and on the next page, you are going to enter your new set of password. Make sure you use a very strong password. Don't use your date of birth or your phone number or any number that anybody can just guess, okay? Make sure you click on Log Me Out of Facebook everywhere else my account might be opened. This way, you'll be able to log anybody out from your account just in case someone have gained access to your account. Once you are done with all the settings, click Next, and now you have successfully changed your Facebook password. For Android users, open your Facebook and tap on the menu icon. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and click on Settings. Now click on Account Center. Scroll down and click on Password and Security. Click on Change Password. Go ahead and pick the Facebook account you want to change the password. Enter your old password here. Enter your new password and re-enter your new password. Make sure you click on Log Out Other Devices just in case someone has gained access to your account. After that, click on Change Password. And in this case, you can see that I've forgotten my password. So if you are in this shoe, all you simply need to do is to click on Forget Password, and a code is going to be sent to my WhatsApp. In case you do not have a phone number linked to your account, just click on Try Another Way and you will get another option for you to get a verification code. So I'm going to copy the code right now and paste it here. Then you are going to click on Continue, and you can see this notification here. Facebook is alerting me that someone is trying to log into my account. Now, for this process to be completed, I need to accept this notification to let them know that I'm the one trying to log into this account. So from here, all you simply need to do is to go to your Gmail account and you are going to click on Yes, it is me. I forgot to screen record that part. That's why I'm not showing you. And now I've been successfully logged in. If this works for you, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications. Bye.